Hi, David.
Hi, today we're presenting aeroplane. So this is the airplane. Wait, why is it broken?
What is the parts?
God damn it. Are we gonna really have to look for the parts for 20,000 years?
I don't know.
Well, I guess we're gonna find it. So, can you look around the room to try to find the parts at least?
Hey, I don't see anything. May I have some tips?
Let's go in a close-up, see if you can see it.
Hey, who broken your aeroplane?
I don't know, but let's get familiar with the plane first, okay? This is the body and the wing, plus it's missing these two parts. So go ahead and find them already.
Hi, Penguin. Can you see the parts? Oh, I see something here.
Oh.
Is this one?
Yes! There you go. And this can move the wheels. Look. You see it moving? Where's the other one, though?
Oh, I see something in here. What is this?
You found this thing.
Hi, minions. Do you know where is the parks?
There and there.
Oh. Hey, I see two parks.
You found these two parts.
Very good. Hey, I see here have a parks.
Yes, this is one of the wings.
Hey, I see here have a parks.
Yes, you found it. But there's two more parts. The wing and the cap.
Hey, girl penguin. Do you know where is the parks?
No, but I think my friend knows it. Yes, there.
Oh yeah, I see the orange one.
You found it.
Hey, David. Now, can we flying?
No, because look.
Oh, we're missing one parts.
Yes, it's this one. But where is it?
I don't know.
You can ask Minion, Girl Penguin, Boy Penguin, or you can ask these.
Hey, two penguins. Do you know where is the parks?
Who is two penguins?
I see girl and male penguin.
Okay. Hey, Minion, can you please move out the way? Okay. There it is!
Oh, let me see. Is it this one?
Yes! And now we can try to fly. I am the master of planes, so I can ride it. I just heard from your teacher that you're not very good at planes. Oh, never mind. I'm gonna fly. Whoa, this is so much fun. Wait, does he really know how to fly planes? Wait. Ah! He told ya you were not good at flying planes. Great. Now the plane is on fire. Well, this plane is so lame. Ah! I'm on fire! I'm on fire! Ah! I told you do not stand too close to the plane. Ah! Everyone die. So the plane is broken, it's on fire, this guy died, those guys died. So let's say thanks for watching. Also, click the like button, subscribe down below. Bye!